Hey y'all, it's me, Marty. Good morning and happy Saturday. So there's my new workbench. Quick little video here to just ask you a question. What's on your workbench? Oh yeah. So I just wanted to show you this because it's funny when you make a workbench or a table, how quick it fills up, and it can. And so here's the thing. It's okay though. It's a place to put stuff. But I like to have mine kind of cleared up most of the time so I have room to work. This is only temporary, but I just wanted to show you this. So I got it finished, and I actually put shelves on it too. So there's shelves, so I have bins of my patterns underneath, and then I have a shelf there for short 2x4s and pine boards and stuff. I just really like this workbench. Again, it's 30 inches wide by 60 inches long. 36 inches high. It's perfect size for my shop. And I like this better than having my table saw and that little outfeed table. It's way better. I got a lot more room. I got rid of that other little table here. So I put my table saw and outfeed table and that little other layout table in the garage in my classroom. And I'm going to organize in there and have all those tables and table saw in there with the scroll saws for teaching and stuff. So yeah. But I've been out here for a couple hours this morning, a few hours already, just organizing and cleaning. I still got stuff to do, but now I have less here too. I just have some of the longer 2x4s and some other boards there, but I got a lot of it stored in there. So that is so nice. So not only is this a workbench, but I got storage underneath. So yeah. I just wanted to show you this because I just started putting stuff on here. I got a few projects I'm making here. I'm going to make a truck cribbage board. These are all some word art and other things I made around Christmas and different things. This is all just to go to the sander. All this is going to be sanded and finished. And then I got templates here. I got templates, more templates I'm going to make and stuff. And then I just got my things I use all the time, pencils and rules and bits and squares and different things, that stuff there. But it's not going to stay here, but I just got it here for now. So I'm going to get all the stuff that I'm going to sand. All that's going to go over by the sander. Templates I'm going to put on another little table here. And most of this is going to be clear except for a few projects I'm working on. And I got a couple other projects to work on today. But yeah, so my question for you is, what's on your workbench? And I've asked this once before, a few times before. It's just kind of fun. What's on your workbench? Do you have a lot of stuff on here that your projects you're working on, templates and patterns and just desk stuff or layout stuff? Or is it completely clear? Or do you have like one project you're working on? It's just kind of neat just to talk about what we're working on. What's on our workbench? So it's a bigger question really than just what's on your physical workbench. What are you working on? What kind of woodworking are you doing? What are you doing in your shop? And yeah, just kind of neat. So yeah, I'm going to actually put a bunch of this stuff away, but I just wanted to show you how quickly a workbench can get covered with stuff. But it's okay. It's a place to have it too and work on stuff. But I'm going to get most of this put away, and then I'm going to work on one project at a time. Whoa, hello, where am I? Ugh. I'm going to work on one project at a time on this workbench, but I'm really liking it. So there's my new workbench. My next project is probably going to be in 2 or 3 weeks, is that there. I'm going to get rid of that bench there, put all that stuff away. I'm going to get rid of that bench, and I'm going to redo my whole tool wall. And yeah, I'm going to make custom holders for everything. It's not going to be French cleat because I don't like French cleats for a few reasons. They're just not for me. But I want to make permanent spots for all the tools because I like them to stay in their spots. I don't want to rearrange. I want to have a place for every tool. But yeah, that's going to be my next project, to redo my tool wall and make it better organized. But yeah, it's roomier in here now. I got the table saw and the outfeed table out this morning. That was kind of a job, but I had to take part of the door apart to get everything out. But now it's way roomier in here. And yeah, and this I might even change something here and do something different here. This is stuff that I have laid out to cut on the scroll saw and some things I've cut out. But again, I think I'm just going to have a smaller table, or I might do something different here with my scroll saw. I'm not sure. I got some ideas. Anyway, again, I like my new workbench I made. Again, it was just thrifty. It was scrap plywood and leftover 2x4s I had, but it turned out really nice. And it's heavy duty and solid. And yeah, I can sit on it too. I could stand on it. I could dance on it. I could dance a jig on this workbench if I wanted to. But you don't want to see me dance. You don't want to hear me sing, and you don't want to see me dance. But yeah, what's on your workbench? What are you working on? Or what's on your workbench? You're really physically on your workbench. Or what kind of projects are you working on in your shop? yeah, just put your comments down below. And yeah, anyway, thanks so much for watching. We'll see you on the next video.